Everything about Canva is all magical, and Canva is one of the best tools you can use for social media management and content creation. Why am I saying this? Because most automation tools for social media are very, very expensive, but with Canva, you can do this with little or no amount at all. You can create your social media graphics, you can create your content because Canva just introduced an AI tool to Canva. So Canva is functioning as a lot of tools right now. You as a social media manager, you don't need any other tool for anything except Canva. And why do I say so? Canva can make your social media designs for you. Canva can create content for you. Canva can schedule your content for you. So these use cases as a social media manager gives you an edge. So you have an edge over every other social media manager out there because you'll be able to use Canva to create stunning designs with ready-made templates. You'll be able to create a brand kit for businesses, and you'll be able to use AI power tools with the app integration, with the magic rights of AI, with the magic design, everything embedded into Canva. And the final thing and the best of thing for you that Canva can offer you as a social media manager is you scheduling your post, you planning content. So you can have a content calendar and follow through. For instance, you can work on your content for the week through Canva, then you schedule your post for different brands, then you get going on with your life. Most especially people that take freelancing roles as a social media manager, Canva will be a very useful tool without having to spend so much to buy automation tools or something like that. So that is why this course is very, very important. You're going to learn how to use Canva as a social media manager. You're going to abolish every other tools you are using currently after taking this course, because this is the very course for you as a social media manager. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to create our Canva accounts. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.